Alright guys, see where it reach? Past paper questions. Now we'll be doing some factorization. I want to thank Scregian for this question. And this is what we'll be doing for the entire month of December. We're going to be completing the syllabus and we're going to start past paper questions. Alright guys, so spread it around. Alright, now this is factorization. Now we're going to be doing what we call factorization by grouping. Grouping the like terms. Now CSEC already set up this in a way where A is common here, A is common here, C is common here, C is common here. So we don't have to rearrange anything, so we can just put the bracket. They set it up nicely for us. So let's say C set nice now. Now we're gonna look and see what is common here between both, and it is the A into A square leave A, and if I don't know, this is what we do. By now everyone should know. AB divided by A leave B. So it should be minus B. Got the sign. Check what is common here. And as I said before, C is common. C is in both. Then you say C into AC. I won't show that step right now because it's rather simple. Alright? So that will leave A and BC divided by negative C. I'm just going to show you this how we get the negative. Would leave negative B. Right? So C will cancel C, and that will leave negative B. So the answer would be A minus B to take what's in common here and what's outside. So A minus C. And that would be your answer. And if we should expand A minus B times A minus C, we would get this as the result. Alright guys, let us look at another one. This one says 3A plus AT minus 6P minus 2PT. I'm just trying to make the T a bit curvy. Now let us look if there's anything common. Right away we see that A is common here and the P is common there. So we don't even have to group them. They are already grouped for us. So let's say C-sec is getting nicer and nicer every year now. Now A is common. A into 3A would leave 3 plus A into that would leave T. Now what's the highest common factor? The highest number that can go into 2 and 6 without a remainder. Alright, here 2, very good, you are indeed correct. But also, not just 2, P is common also. So it will be 2P. So 2P into, let's show this one, negative 6P divided by negative 2P. Negative cancel the negative, 2 into that 1, 2 into that 3, P cancel P, so we have 3. And then we have negative 2PT divided by negative 2P. Again, the negative will cancel the negative, 2 into 2, 1P, and that leave plus T. So again, we take what's common right here, what's common in that, and guys, if you work it and you don't get the same thing here, start over. Wrong, bam. Alright, so this would be 3 plus T and A minus 2P, and that would be your answer. Alright guys, I hope everyone following. Alright, let us look at another one over here. I'm just gonna make it stay on the board so others can see what's going on. So this said x squared minus y squared minus 4x plus 4y. Now this one we have a little issue because x So what we need to do is to group the like terms. So we bring all the x's together. But remember to bring the sign that is in front of it. So like we have minus 4x. This is minus y squared plus 4y. And close the bracket. So obviously x is common. X squared to that is x minus 4 minus y is common, y into that leave y, and y into that leave 4. So it would be x minus 4 and what outside is x minus y. And that is your answer. Guys, remember this is factorization by grouping. Now let us look at one that is very, very different, but it's not very hard. It's a perfect square. So it says 4a squared minus 1. And now I'm going to show my students a shortcut. Once you see it like this, it means that you can rewrite this as 0 in the middle. That's why it's a square. It's a number subtract from itself, basically, right? So we could just find the square root of this and the square root of this. What number multiplied by itself give you 4a? That would be 2a, right? And 1, so 1 would be plus, and 1 would be minus. Guys, you know, waste no time on them simple something here, you know? You know what I mean? Alright, let us look at another one. If you don't understand them short step here, you need to recheck my channel, guys. It's on there, alright? Alright, so we have 9a squared. I'm gonna do this one the long way. 9a squared minus b squared. Now, as I said before, it's 0 in the middle, right? So let's just do it in that long way. So this is a and this is c. So we want a times c. So it will be 9a squared times b squared. Negative b squared, rather. So that will give us negative 9a squared minus b squared. So we need all the factors of 9a. So it would be 1 times 9 and 3 times 3. So it's obvious that it would be 9a. So 9a squared. 1 is the plus and 1 minus. So let's just plus 3ab minus 3ab minus b squared. I'm just going to clear this rough work part so you guys can see. Don't get it mixed up now. I'm going to take out the i's common factor now. So what's common? Check the whole number first. The i's number that can go into 3 and 9 will be 3. Now a is common but b is not, so you take out the a. So 3a into that will leave 3a. Check the laws of indices if you're not sure, and this would leave b. Right? Remember we are dividing, so 3a cancels itself. Negative, what's common? Correct, b. That would leave 3a, and b into itself would be, remember you have minus b squared, so that is like minus b times b divided by a negative b. See it? That would leave plus b. So we left with 3a plus b, and 3a minus b. So what I tell you guys is the same easy thing. No matter how C-section it to you this year, you're going to pass it, alright? Once you follow my channel, you must pass C-section, for sure. And when I say pass, I don't mean just grade 1, with a distinction. That's the objective. Alright, let us look at one that is not of these types. Alright, let me just clear the board. You guys can stop the thing if you're having any problem. I just need to clear it up. Thanks again, Craigian, for these questions. Guys, remember, I don't really do assignments, but I will do the questions if you're researching it on your own. Alright, let us look at this one. Where was it? Okay, yes. So this one says 6y squared plus 13y minus 8. Now this is by the ABC method, or the factor method. So we call it ABC. So we need to say 6y squared times negative 8, 6, 8, 48. So it will be negative 48y squared. This all the factors of 48, meaning all the numbers that when you multiply them, all numbers, you get 48. 2 times what? 24, 3 times 16, 4 times 12, and 6 times 8. I think that will be it, guys. So now we're going to manipulate it in such a way that we get 13. So we can eliminate this big one here. 6 and 8 is 14, so it can't be that. That is 16 or 8. It can't be that. So it is definitely this, right? So it will be 16 minus 3. Why 16 minus 3 and negative 3 plus 16? Let's put the bigger number from, right? So just work with the positive because look, it's a positive here. So it means 16 must be positive. So it will be 6y squared plus 16y minus 3y minus 8. I know some people like to put, you could put the 8 and the 16 together, but it doesn't matter, guys. Once you know how to factorize, it doesn't matter. So we're going to look at the highest number that is common to 6 and 16, and that would be 2, right? Because 3 cannot go into 16. 5 and blah blah blah. Alright, so it will be 3y. That would leave us with 2y. Ah, Jesus. 2y rather. And that leaves 3y, right? 2 into 16 goes 8 times, so that is that. No. You might be thinking to yourself, this nothing is common here. Yes, 1 is a factor of all numbers, right? So that will leave us with 1. That will leave us with 3y. Negative into that will give us positive 8. So that will leave 3y plus 8 and 2y minus 1. And that would be your answer. Guys, just keep following the channel. Remember to share, subscribe, like, and help a lot of friends to get maths also. This is Mr. Bennett, and I'm out.